How do I print the model summary in PyTorch? How do I print the summary of a model in PyTorch like what model.summary does in Keras?
While you will not get as detailed information about the model as in Keras model.summary, simply printing the model will give you some idea about the different layers involved in their specifications. For instance, the output in this case would be something as follows. Now you could, as mentioned by Kasyap, use the state_dict method to get the weights of the different layers. But using this listing of the layers would perhaps provide more direction is creating a helper function to get that Keras-like model summary.
Yes, you can get exact Keras representation, using the PyTorch summary package. Example for VGG16.
In order to use Torch summary type, install it first if you don't have it. And then you can try it, but note for some reason it is not working unless I set model to CUDA alexnet.cuda. The summary must take the input size and batch size is set to -1, meaning any batch size we provide. If we set summary alexnet 3, 224, 224, 32, this means use the BS equals 32. Out.
The torch.info, formerly torch summary, package produces analogous output to Keras 1, for a given input shape, 2. Notes. Torch.info provides information complementary to what is provided by print_model, in PyTorch, similar to TensorFlow's model.summary. Unlike Keras, PyTorch has a dynamic computational graph which can adapt to any compatible input shape across multiple calls, for example any sufficiently large image size, for a fully convolutional network. As such, it cannot present an inherent set of input/output shapes for each layer, as these are input dependent, and why in the above package you must specify the input dimensions.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.